Hello everyone, this is Tushar Agarwal from Rishikul again with the next session of data visualization. Friends, today we will study about two things, frequency polygon and scatter plot. Let me start with the previous session of histogram. Now friends, frequency polygon is related to histogram itself. First we have to draw the histogram, then we can draw frequency polygon. Now, in the previous sessions, we have discussed about histograms, bar graphs, plot charts, line charts, pie charts. So, first, today I will discuss about frequency polygon. Now, a frequency polygon is a graph constructed by using lines to join the midpoints of each interval or bin. I hope you very well understand what do you mean by bin. The x-axis is the bin. It means the middle point of the class interval of any class interval, that is from 0 to 10, 10 to 20 or anything, is frequency polygon lines. The heights of the points represent the frequencies. A frequency polygon can be created from the histogram or by calculating the midpoints of the bins. But there is, as I told you, there is no such separate method for creating a frequency polygon in Python. So first we have to create a stat, only we can do is to create a hist type, means histogram of type step, right? Now this is what we are going to do. If we just connect the top center points of each bins, then we obtain relative frequency graph. It means these top points, like this, then this, then this, then this, and then this. So this is frequency polygon, but here we don't have any privilege or any utility to run frequency polygon. So we will make a histogram first. Let us see how histogram can be plotted. Import numpy as np. It is numpy package which is aliases as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. .pyplot is the library of the matplotlib. Now I have taken some data 1, 11, 21, just like the histogram. Now plotting a histogram plt dot. Yes, students, what we have studied, plt dot hist. plt dot hist. Then I have taken some data, then bins, then weights. Now the edge color, remember this is the new thing which we are going to study. Hist type. So we have right here step type. Right? Hist type should be step. Now x label is value, y label probability, histogram, and show. So students, here we have studied a new thing, hist type, which should be equal to step. Rest is of the histogram. Now let me move to the next. Oh, before making to the scatter polygon, I will let you know that we cannot connect lines in Python as we have no function for it. So I think this is very much easy. What we have to do, we just have to write bins, hist type, step. That's it. Let us look at the program. Data bins hist type is equal to step. Plot dot x label is equal to value. Plot dot y label is equal to probability. Dot title is histogram. Now let me move to the next, scatter plot or scatter chart. A scatter plot is a two-dimensional data visualization that uses dots to represent values obtained from two different variables, one plotted on the x and other on the y. For example, I have taken weight 1 and height 1, 93.3. This is on the x-axis. It is somewhere here, 93.3. And next is 116.3. Okay, all of you knows how to see the graph. Now friends, in scatter plot, what we have to do, we are having four things. First list, second list, the color of these circles, and the marker. The marker is what the cursor looks like. So let me study these things. Okay, now we can adjust the color of the scatter points. We can utilize the C argument. This is C argument for scatter method and set it to green to make scatter plots green. For blue we can write B. For yellow we can write Y or full yellow. Now adjust the size of the scatter points. We can use the argument S. Okay friends, yes, we can use the argument S and pass the value 75 to make larger. हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे s लगा देंगे, उसमें 75 डाल देंगे. What it will do, it will make it a larger circle. Now adjust the transparency of scatter points. We can use alpha. If we want less transparent, then we can use 0. If we want more transparent, then we can use 1. Now the value of this s function, now the value of this alpha function lies between 0 and 1. And we can also change the marker type or the pass value as per argument, like marker is equal to blank, or marker is equal to v, or marker is equal to anything. Now let me again show you the program. It is import matplotlib.pyplot.splt. I have taken a weight, I have taken a height. So plot.scatter, scatter में मैंने दिया c is equal to b, marker is equal to orange, comma alpha is equal to something, comma s is equal to something. So x label is this, we have taken font size, y label is this, we have taken font size. Now in title, scatter plot height versus font size equal to 22. Show will display the scatter plot. Now let me just explain again this frequency polygon for you. Friends, we cannot create exact frequency polygon in Python because we can only create step type histogram in our matplotlib, or we can say Python script. So what we have to do, we have to just add hist type is equal to step. Hist type, remember this word hist means histogram. Histogram type is equal to step type in the coding or our script. So it is we can say customization is similar to histogram customization, or it is just similar to a histogram without the full lines. So friends, this is it for today, frequency polygon and scatter plot. I hope you have understood it very well. So I will be here again with the next topic, that is called box plot, tomorrow for you. So till then you have to revise all the things so that we can move further. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay here.